Hey, this is Throws now. Let's talk about the Source of Magic game. At its heart, it's a dungeon crawl with a D20 style combat mechanic and a basic magic system. But this dungeon is alive with thinking and individual creatures. The monsters aren't just straw men that are running around under the control of a simple AI model. They're all modeled by a complex behavioral system. So the way the dungeon plays out is different every time. What I'm showing right now is a simulation mode so that you can see everything that's happening in the dungeon. When you're in player mode, there's a different interface on the right panel here where you will see controls to interact with a large language model AI to basically, that allows you to basically talk to the AI and ask it questions about the environment, ask questions of the characters, and the AI will roleplay the characters. So it kind of makes an interesting RPG layer on top of this simulation layer that you can see playing out right here. Sometimes you get weird and funny moments. Each individual creature has their own interests, ambitions, and aspirations, but each faction also has a leader, and the leader is giving orders to the entities. So the personality of the leader matters, but individuals can also have their own ambitions, and they'll sometimes defy the leader. That can lead to rivalries and all kinds of interesting things. You get moments where maybe an aggressive faction overreaches and forgets to worry about their food production, and so they end up starving. So yeah, there's a hack and slash style Dungeons and Dragons 2nd Edition inspired combat system, basic spells. If you're into tinkering, if you're not afraid to dive into some data to see what happened or what's driving the story, and if you're not afraid to install the Olama AI tool locally, because that is required for the single player mode. What you're seeing here is a simulation mode. You can try that without the Olama model. If you're not afraid to tinker, look at some data, and yes, we're seeing a rise of a super skeleton here, which is kind of interesting. Good for this video. Yeah, there's a lot of detail here, but I think if you dig into it, you will be rewarded and you'll enjoy it, hopefully. Thanks for watching.